awesome. So good. Welcome to the newest ReStore. We moved over from Oak Street. My name is Frank Baker. I'm the Director of Retail Operations and Business Development. As I said to some of you in the line already, we managed to keep the rain away from you guys this morning. So
3,
2,
1.
Woo! ReStore! Welcome in, everybody! There we go.
I'm Scott Duchek. I'm the CEO of Habitat for Humanity in Victoria. Habitat for Humanity is focused on building affordable homes for people to own who are want to stay in their communities, want the security that home ownership gives. So we're a charity focused on building affordable home ownership homes. There's a number of different ways that people can help become involved with Habitat for Humanity. They can volunteer at one of our ReStores that raise funds to help us build more affordable houses. Or if they're interested in becoming a partner family and actually participating in our home ownership program, they can go to our website, habitatvictoria.com, and fill out the application form. Habitat for Humanity Victoria does have 2 ReStores. We operate one on the West Shore on Orono Avenue in Langford, and then this new one, our brand new one in Saanich at 721 Van Almen Avenue. Both ReStores have varying product, and part of the joy of shopping at a ReStore is finding that amazing antique piece of furniture that you won't find anywhere else.
Yeah, it is. Like the windows, like
Yeah.
there's like this is perfect.
Looking out your kitchen window.
Yeah, this is good. Good job, you guys.
My name is Sean Thompson. I'm the store manager here at the Van Almen ReStore. I've been manager here for 2.5 years, and I've been with Habitat for 3 years. Not only was it in line with my values as an individual, but it was also in line with my skill set, which is working with home decor and furniture and antiques and things like that. So when I saw the job opportunity, I jumped at it and came in and found a bunch of like-minded folks, and through that I've met friends for life, and it's been incredible so far. I also know how difficult it is. You know, my partner and I own an apartment, and it's incredibly expensive. So we're very keenly aware of the housing crisis, and to be on the front lines of the housing crisis and of the environmental aspects of things is pretty important.